come from a long line of truckers, so I've been in this business all my life. We started out in the trucking business in 1987. Then we got to working on some solar fields and had trouble getting rock. So we started this quarry here in 2018 because we couldn't supply material to our excavation and trucking company. On the excavation side, we specialize in moving in dirt. We can do big projects, 50,000, 100,000 yard job. And on the rock crushing side or the sand side, we can take on any size contract. We're not scared. I believe it was in 2020 or 2021, we started doing business with Kirby-Smith. We had some other companies that, man, they couldn't get parts. Things were staying broke down, and it was a nightmare. And Kirby-Smith stepped up and picked up the phone and called up there to the parts guy and said, hey man, I'm in a bind, I've got this state job going on, I need help. Can you get me these parts? And man, they just bend over backwards to get these parts, bringing them to me from Fort Worth or Dallas. And that's a hard trip, you know, just to jump in a pickup and throw parts in the back. That's one reason we love Kirby-Smith, and we look at them as part of the family. The production has jumped up so much after using the Kirby-Smith equipment. I can actually not have to work 6, 7 days a week. We can calm it down and work 4 days a week because we get so much more production with their equipment. As far as Komatsu equipment, I bought my first one in '03. The little rubber tire backhoe, we still run it every day. And I said, man, I need a dozers. And that's when we went with the 155, which has been a great machine. Operators out here, they just love the Komatsu equipment. And the same thing with the off-road trucks. No comparison what them 400s can do with all the other brands out there. Them things are just like Cadillacs. I mean, you just get in them, put your seatbelt on, put them in gear. They got air seats, air conditioning. They're just Cadillacs of the off-roads. I got two WA500 loaders. It really increased my efficiency on loading times and getting the trucks out of the gate. And then we have two 490 excavators and a 360 excavator. And then I bought a Kleemann screening plant, 3-deck screening plant, and man, they do a great job. Probably the most thing that helped out with the production side of it is the new 122 rock crusher, the pit model. That thing is just a hoss. It's doing an excellent job. We've cleaned the material up with it, and we've ran tests on it, multiple tests. Everything's coming out perfect. And Kirby-Smith has a good maintenance program. It's called Komatsu Care. They take care of all the oil changes when they're due. I don't even have to keep up with it. They call me and say, hey, you've got a oil change due. Well, can we schedule it? We schedule it in, they come out, and it takes relief off me. The good thing about Kirby-Smith is it don't matter what you need. Them guys in their rental department, in their sales department, in their service department, whatever you need, you just pick up the phone and they'll get it to you.